Alright, y'all. What's up? This your girl, Brittany Rose. This is my YouTube channel. It's day 75 of quarantine. I'm just playing, y'all. But yeah, I'm playing with my toys right now. I'm just trying to see if it's gone, you know what I'm saying? If everything's schmopping, trying to see what it look like. Got my little different color light show going on, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to see if I want to sit right here and do my video or what. Like, y'all know how females kind of be like off to the, I mean, any YouTuber, ain't just females, but how they kind of be like off to the side or whatever when they doing their videos. Or like, I can probably like be in the middle, or I can even sit right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just, I mean, it's a cool spot if I'm doing like an interview or something. But, you know, but yeah. So, it's day 7,518 of quarantine. It's getting real, you know what I'm saying? Black Lives Matter, turn up, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just trying to see how my stuff work, y'all. My toys. I'm trying to see if I like this whole vlogging thing because it's my first time doing it. So I gotta learn how to operate the camera. I gotta learn how to hold a tripod with this big old plate. Like, it's got this let me see if I can try to show y'all. It's got this shotgun mic. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It's got a shotgun mic on it. And it's got 50 LEDs. Y'all, shout out to my tattoo artist. I got this rose on my back. Since we own it, we might as well look at it. Got a rose on my back, and I got Jesus' name on the key. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but his name is on the key right there. And let's see, I got this tattoo right here. They say West Side Beauty. They say West Side. That's beauty in Chinese. And then I got this tattoo right here. I'm gonna try to stand up so y'all can see it. That's a wolf. I love wolves. Like, y'all just don't even understand. And my little girl name started with a K, so that's a K inside the wolf. And I got this one right here. That say, y'all gotta excuse me. Big ass shade. The quarantine have us looking homeless out here. But and I gotta get another razor too, so y'all don't laugh. But yeah, so this will say life is beautiful. But yeah, man, it is what it is, y'all. Life is beautiful. I'm about to get this YouTube thing started. Let me step back a little bit. I'm about to get this little YouTube thing started or whatever. I ain't gonna call it little because it might be big. Who knows? I don't even know. To be honest with you, I just be going into this stuff. I don't be knowing how it's gonna turn out. But you ever just don't know what you're doing, but it turns out great? Like, that's how I feel. Like, it's gonna be awesome. I feel like it's gonna be fun. So if y'all rocking with me, Rose Crew, then shoot, let's ride then. Let's go. It's nothing. Like, it's a go from here. Take off, my nigga. Like, don't stop.